Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from MadKin Beauty. These 5 colors here are brand new and they're part of a new collection called the Mountain View, and they're amazing. These colors here are the perfect colors for that transition period that we're in right now from summer to fall, and we're going to use all 5 in a mani today so you can really see how they perform and the color payoff. We're also doing the gel method with the new gel base and top coat from MadKin Beauty. Now speaking of coverage, check out that beautiful coverage with the first dip here. We are diving into the first color, and it is called Smoky Quartz. If you are a pink girl or like a nudie pink girl, this one is gonna be your jam right here. This pink, it's amazing. It is the perfect light pink, and it has the most elegant, beautiful shimmer, and it has like this color shift to it that gives it like this quartzy look. It is amazing. So after I brush it off, just know that I did cure in between each dip for 30 seconds. If you haven't tried the gel method, I highly recommend, especially if you have any issues with bulk or anything like that, or if you like press-ons, the gel method is the way to go because it cuts down on some of that bulk. Also, the liquids that we're using today, that gel base and the gel top coat from MadKin Beauty, have a really great consistency, and the combination of the dip powders and these gels just make it for like a flawless application. I'm completely in love with the MadKin Beauty dip powders. There are so many gorgeous colors that MadKin Beauty has to offer, so if these are not your cup of tea, you're definitely going to find something that catches your eye on the website. But again, I cured that first dip here and then brushed it off, and I'm curing for 30 seconds. Now we're dipping into Creekside Meadow, which was that beautiful blue, and now we're going into Blue Ridge, which by far is the perfect purple here. You can really see like all these colors here coordinate so well together, and you can make so many different manis with these 5 colors. You could do like the 3 colors that we're using right now, which was that pink Smoky Quartz, Creekside Meadow, which is that beautiful blue, and then Blue Ridge, this purple. These 3 colors would look really good with like an ombre, but it's just so pretty. And now we're gonna go in with this beautiful glitter here. This glitter is so unique. It has like a matte hints of matte glitters in here, and then it has like this pop of shimmer that, depending on what dip powders you pair it with or how the light hits it, it really takes on like all the colors in this collection. It is so pretty. I've never seen a glitter like this before. It's super easy to work with. So after I dipped into that cupcake liner, I'm just gently pressing down those glitters. Again, we did do the gel method, so you want to be careful when you are pressing these down that you have a delicate hand to it so you're not disturbing that gel base. And then I took that orange wood stick and just cleaned up the sidewalls and the free edge area. But that glitter is laying so flat, so I cured that for 30 seconds. We're dusting off, and now totally optional. You could totally leave it as one coat and then hand place in areas that are bare, or you can just dive right back into that cupcake liner like we're doing here. And you're going to see, even though that we did 2 full dips of this glitter, you're going to see the end result that it is laying so flat to the nail. But I love this glitter. This glitter right here is definitely a must-have for fall. It's going to be great for that fall, even that winter season, and so many colors just pair perfectly with this glitter. Like I said, you can see how it has this like beautiful color shifting to it, which really just ties in all these colors from the Mountain View collection perfectly. And how flat are these glitters laying? I love it so much. It's overall just a really fun glitter. So now we're diving into the last color of that Mountain View collection. This one right here is called Ashberry, and it is stunning. It has like the perfect, it's like a purple mauve color. It's really pretty, and the shimmer in this one is just amazing. The shimmers in all these dip powders that we use today are just gorgeous. The shimmer is very, very finely milled, and the color payoff with these dip powders are amazing, and it's just a very elegant shimmer, and I just love how these dip powders perform. Okay, filing and buffing right now was a breeze, so I'm going to show you the filing and buffing on this glitter nail here. So all I'm doing right now, since those glitters are laying really flat to the nail, I'm just going ahead and cleaning up the sidewalls and the free edge, and that's all I am doing for this glitter nail because those glitters laid really flat, and that's exactly how I filed and buffed the rest of the nails off camera as well. But super easy to file and buff. You can see here I did the rest off camera. And then to finish up this mani, we're going to go in with another layer of gel base, and then we're going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. Now if you are looking for nail lamp suggestions, if you are doing the gel method, I will link everything that we're using today in that description box below, including some nail lamp options. And right now I am just making sure that glitter nail there, I'm taking a little bit more time applying that base, just making sure I'm getting into all those nooks and crannies. But again, I am curing for 30 seconds, and then we're going to go in and finish with a gel top coat and cure for 60 seconds. I'm going to finish the rest of the top coat off camera, but here is the finished mani. I love it so much. How gorgeous are these new colors? They are everything. I feel like these colors are just not only perfect for right now, but these colors here are going to be perfect for all year long, even when we're going into that cozy winter season. These colors are just screaming my name right now for like every season. You can do so many different looks with this. I had trouble picking out what colors I was going to use first. I was like, you know what? We're going to use all of them and do a Skittles mani using all the colors in the Mountain View collection. But I just love how it turned out and just how delicate these colors are, but yet they have like this beautiful shimmer to them, and they are just the most buttery, velvety dip powders ever. So if you have not tried MadKin Beauty, I highly recommend. So I'm going to go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.